Hey everybody, how's it going? Just gonna do a quick unboxing of something I have been waiting a very long time for. Um, as most of you know, you've heard of the show Sons of Guns, and this is something I've been waiting for almost, I'd have to say, it's been almost 10 months now. And I'm sure by the title you probably already guessed what it is. Packing peanuts. It is the Red Jacket ZK-22 stock. Now, right off the bat, let me tell you, if I were to see this in a store, in this packaging, I probably wouldn't buy it, just because it looks like something I would see at a something you'd see at a dollar store, you know, like those dollar store toys. But it does feel pretty solid. Considering with everything that's going on right now, I don't think I'm gonna put it together. Just because I only have one Ruger 1022, and you have to be very careful with this, because this can get very expensive. You know, you pay a lot of money for this stock, then whatever the cost of your 1022 is, plus whatever accessories. I mean, I'm already 500 plus invested in this thing. But I think it's pretty cool. Aside from the packaging, I actually think this is pretty cool. It feels very solid. It's got a good weight to it. But been waiting for 10 months. I don't know when I'll actually put it together, because I'm still trying to figure out the optics. So, thanks for watching, guys.